Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast car video. In today's video, we will be checking out this Matchbox moving parts Tesla Model 3. Now, yeah, you heard me right, Tesla Model 3. I know many people love it, many people hate it. Yeah, but even though it's a Tesla, in my opinion, it's not too bad actually. Even though it's an electric car and basically it's all for the saving environment thingy, but still it's not too bad of a car. But yeah, Matchbox moving parts right here, Tesla right there, and the car itself presented in the middle, and basically have the the new Matchbox moving parts like style, I would say. Basically they got rid of the blister, plastic blister, and basically they replaced it with this cardboard part right here, which is I guess fine. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. And the only way you can open this up, as you know, you have to open the side. So that's the only way you can open it up. And there is the car in this sort of like styrofoam thing. But yeah, there's the car. How you get it out is basically by pushing it from the back right here, and out comes the car. Now you might have seen me review some Hot Wheels and Matchbox Tesla Model 3s that I may have showcased previously what Hot Wheels and Matchbox made. But then Matchbox has done it again this time, but with the opening feature, which is opening doors. Previously it was just the regular mainline series with Hot Wheels and the regular mainline series with Matchbox. This time they've made it with opening parts. So there's the car on the turntable. Overall, I would say it's yeah, just quite similar to what Hot Wheels has done previously. But then again, it's well, it's a moving part. Of course, you do have the opening doors. But the thing is that I just realized that the doors, the front doors, are looking in a very different color. Even though they can't really get color tone right, the exact color tone. I mean, they could at least try to get the same color tone, at least, so that it won't look too obvious. But yeah, it already looks very weird with the different tone of blue, I would say. But yeah, I wish it were to be like detailed better for the doors, I would say. But yeah, overall it's not too bad. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself right here. Here it is, the Tesla Model 3, colored in this sort of like metal flake blue, I would say. Now yeah, you can clearly see that I'm shining it under the light, and the color of the regular body compared to the opening part, which is the door, which can open up, is basically different. As you can see, it's not really the same color tone of blue. Sadly, that's the only problem with this car. But yeah, you have the rims, which are colored in gray, which is not too bad. The side looks very clean and nice. And like I said just now, you do have the opening part of the opening door, which yeah, there you go, opening door on the side right there, both sides actually. So yeah, overall pretty cool. You have the side mirrors, metal right there as well. Headlights right here, headlights which are not too bad. Small little Tesla logo right there. Of course, Teslas have no front grills or anything, so yeah, very plain at the front right here. Blacked out interior. Well, the windshield is actually connected to the roof and towards the rear window right there, which is just this big plastic panel right here, which is transparent and Slightly tinted, which is okay, I guess. It's basically left-hand drive, just if you're wondering. This car is left-hand drive. And here is the other side. Not too bad. And moving on to the back, you do have the rear light details, Tesla logo, and you have the license plate which says Tesla right there. What does that say? I think that says Model 3. We do have the brake lights as well, and yeah, overall that's it for the back. Moving on to the base, plastic black base, Tesla Model 3, 2022 Mattel and made in Thailand. Oh yeah, by the way, the tires are plastic, by the way, not metal. I mean, not rubber, sorry. No rubber tires or anything. But yeah, here is the opening doors feature right there, which is pretty cool, I would say, myself. It's not too bad. It does quite work, just that the only problem is basically the color tone difference, basically. Overall, I would say it's not too bad of a Tesla, I would say. For a Model 3, it's pretty good. The color is also quite nice in this dark blue, I would say. Overall, I do really like it. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Tesla Model 3. Overall, pretty good, and yeah, not too bad for an electric car. I would say for a Tesla, it's pretty good. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Tesla Model 3. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.